In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok to explain posts on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. If you've ever come across a post brimming with jargon, or simply want to understand its deeper context, Grok can be your go-to tool. It's an easy and efficient way to unravel complex tweets and grasp their meaning quickly. Together, we'll walk through each step to make sure you can use this tool effectively. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, in the search bar, type the letter X. This search will bring up the website for the platform, ensuring that you're starting from the right place. Next, you'll click on the X website link that appears in the search results. This will take you directly to the home page of the platform. Now, once you're on the X homepage, you'll be on the lookout for a post to explore. It could be a tweet that's part of trending news, or simply something that piques your interest. Browse through until you find that ideal post. When you've found it, go ahead and copy the content of the post. You'll need this to analyze it with Grok in the following steps. With the post copied, look for the Grok icon, which might resemble a lens or search icon, and click on it. This is where the magic of explanation starts to happen. Clicking on the Grok icon will open a space for you to paste the content you previously copied. So, paste it in the space provided. However, you're not just pasting and leaving it at that. You'll want to add a little instruction to refine Grok's powers. Simply append the phrase, "Explain this post," after pasting the content. This helps Grok to understand exactly what you're asking it to do, ensuring you get a more pointed, insightful interpretation. Once you have the post and the phrase "Explain this post" ready to go, all that's left is to hit submit. This is where Grok gets to work, analyzing the text you provided. Through its capable algorithms, Grok will break down the post, providing you with a more digestible version of what it means, why it might be significant, and any important context that could enhance your understanding. This tool can be especially useful for journalists, researchers, or simply the curious who regularly engage with complex or highly nuanced discourse. In practice, using Grok is like having a personal interpreter for the myriad of posts you encounter daily. So, with these steps, you'll be equipped to make the most out of posts on X, broadening your understanding and enriching conversations around them.